Hello, it's Azale. We are going to model a little bird. I want to add a UV sphere. Make it to 50, 50, and shade smooth. I want a copy of that. And scale it. I want to scale it from this side for the eyes. A little rotation. I want it a little bigger. Okay, we have to rotate it again. It's okay. A copy of this. I have to mirror this and choose this and this part. It's okay. It's her eyes. Yes, it's a she. This little part of eyes. A little rotation again. Okay. And mirror it again. So, where is her mouth? I want to add a different sphere again and scale it. A little more here. Okay, I want to choose these three and this and merge at center and do it to this and shade smooth. We have this, maybe a little here. It's better. Okay, and we can have legs. We can add a cylinder. I add a cylinder. Oh, we have this. It's better. little tiny legs they have. Copy of that, and I want to mirror this from here. Okay, and on this part I want to add her toys. I have to rotate this. Little smaller. It's better. And maybe it's better. Okay. I want to choose these and merge them. Like this. And again here, I want to choose these and merge them, and again these. Merge them like here. We have something like this, and I want to shade the smooth. It's okay. There is something wrong here. Oh. It's okay, and I want to just scale them. It's better. Shade smooth and shade smooth, and here we have this. And I want a copy of this. Control C, Control V, and rotate from this part. And a little scale from this side. Okay. Again, a copy. For this part. We can join them together and have a mirror like this. So we have a cute bird. Now we are going to let them materials. It's for the eyes. I want to make them black and make the roughness like this. And these should be white. Maybe, yes. Good. And here we can have any. I like this color. It's good too, but I like this now. And for the mouse, we can have this. Yes. And the legs are near brown, maybe. Where is brown? Yes. Brown again. So here we have this cute tiny bird. We can make it hairy too. I want to show you both of these materials. So here I choose this and I add this hair. It's good. Children interpolated. Maybe. Yes, it's better. Or it's good. I have to add roughness here a little. I want to have more of them. Maybe this much. It's cute. So we can render this. I have to rotate it to the camera. F12. Oh, cute bird. But I want to change the camera side. I want to rotate on this part and this part. It's better. And the render type EVS and F12. Here we have this cute bird character. We can model in Blender in the easiest way. Happy to be with you and subscribe for learning more cute characters. See you!